Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this video, we will examine a method that has a void return type. This return type is used when the method needs to perform a task without returning any data back to the caller. We will be starting with a C# console app.NET framework project called return type void. And first we will declare a variable that is in the global scope, meaning within the program class, but outside of any method within the class. We will declare it and initialize a value. In this program, we will require the use of the static keyword for all methods and global variables. In C#, this means that there will only ever be one copy of the item, method, property, or variable, regardless of an object being created of its containing class. For an in-depth look, object-oriented class concepts and the rules around access modifiers like static will be covered in other videos in the series. To access this variable, we can call on it in a console writeLine method within our main function. If we try this now, global variable is currently 4. If we have a requirement in our program to access or change this value in any way, and we need to do this from multiple locations within our program, it would be a good idea to wrap this code block within a method so we don't have to rewrite the code in several places. The term signature regarding a method is in relation to the return type and parameters to be passed into the method. Our signature shows the void return type with a single parameter of type int to be passed in. When we do call this method, the syntax of the call needs to adhere to this signature. A locally scoped variable within a method is a useful storage container for intermediate steps in our method, but its value is not directly accessible from outside the method. However, we can use it to pass resultant data from the method or calculations within back out to the global variable. As it stands, when this program is run, global variable is currently equal 4 will show in the console window. We still need to run our method, and we will place this within the main method using the following syntax. MyVoid method with parenthesis and included parameter value that matches the type required by our method. In this case, int. When the signature of the method is satisfied, the IDE will clear any errors in the output window below. We can then print the global variable to console again to see the result. Here we see global variable was 4 and global variable is currently 10. Because our code is within a method, we can run the method as many times as we would like throughout our program. We have completed working with a method that has a void return type, learning about its declaration, and how to call this method. Thank you for watching.